Hi there, today we're going to learn how to print hello world in C++. First thing, we're gonna add hashtag include and less than and greater sign here and iStream. So the purpose of this hashtag include iStream is to have an access on input and output on the console. So this is important. And after that, integer int main and open and close parentheses and curly brackets here, open and close curly brackets here, and std and double colon here. We can write cout and less than sign here and quoted string here or double quotation mark, and let's try to add the hello world. And lastly, we're gonna add semicolon here. So as we run this, you can see that it's outputted or the cout is printed. So let's try to add some more. Hello world, and I'm a programmer. So let's try to add this. I'm a programmer. As you can see, hello world and I'm a programmer is outputted, but as you can see there's a no gap here, so there's no space here. So to add space here, we can also add the backslash and n. As we run this, you can see that hello world and I'm a programmer is separated. We can also try to add double less than sign here and L, but this will work if you have if you have this statement namespace std and semicolon. So the purpose of this using namespace std is to have this and L or this end line we have a new end line here. So as you can see, there's a new line. You can also remove this std and double colon here if you use this using namespace std. So the purpose of this std is to remove the std double colon here and to have some end or end line. So let's start on this. This will also work. And let's summarize this thing. So let's go to hashtag for the in the first line, hashtag include iStream. So the purpose of this is to have an input and output on the console, and using namespace std is to have end and the std. So that's the purpose of that. And integer main, so this is the main function where the code will work. And value basis here and cout. So cout means console out, or it will be outputted. And hello world and L, so the purpose of this hello world is to have a new line and cout again, or to have a new text here. So that's all. Thank you. Now that you have learned how to print hello world, what about how to use variables? Find out with this video, or learn more how to use if-else statement with this video.